Hey, Andrew from Ozito. I'm here today to help you elevate your pot plant game with this neat pot plant stand. All the tools you need are in this great PXC kit. It comes with a circular saw, an impact driver, a drill driver, a 3 amp hour battery and a fast charger. There's also a nifty instruction manual that will guide you through this project, complete with a handy shopping list with everything you need, available at your local Bunnings store. Let's get into it. The first step is to measure and mark two 300mm lines on the timber. Make sure you clamp it down nice and tight and give it a cut with the circular saw. Next, we're going to draw lines from corner to corner so we can find our centre point. Then mark 150mm from the centre at every corner. Grab a 45-degree set square and draw 4 lines running through each of the 4 marks. Now we're going to stack both pieces of timber. Make sure the one you have drawn on is on the top. Then we'll clamp it to the bench. As we're going to be cutting the corners off in a second, let's make sure that they won't move during the cuts. We'll do this by driving 2 screws into opposite corners. There's just one more step before we cut. Let's grab a 6mm drill bit and drill 4 holes 100mm from each corner. Not all the way through though, we only want to go about 25mm deep. Now we can cut the timber. Okay, so the 2 pieces will separate. Now we've got to give this stand its most important part, its legs. Flip the piece with the lines on it. Using a spade bit, drill halfway through the pieces of timber. These holes should be deep enough so the leg bolts sit nicely in the holes and the 2 pieces of timber will sit flush. Insert the thread of your legs into the opposite side and secure the legs with the nuts. Okay, this is starting to come together nicely. Let's now align the 2 pieces of timber. Make sure that the 2 pieces are flush, then drive 4 screws between the legs. There's so many ways you can customise your pot plant stand. Why not try adding a curved edge with a jigsaw or a router? Maybe a lick of paint or even a different type of timber to suit or mismatch to your home. Show us your pot plant jungle by sharing your snaps with us. #TeamUpWithAzito.